Hey guys, welcome back to another video. In this video, we're going to talk about MicroStrategy and how MicroStrategy is going to be a multi-trillion-dollar company and how Michael Saylor is going to be a trillionaire within the next 5 to 10 years. He's going to be one of the top 5 trillionaires in the world because he has a brilliant mind. He sees the future and he's taking full advantage of his position as a billionaire, as a computer software engineer. He's taking full advantage of that position. And he's trying to free the common man. If Bitcoin is too expensive for you, buy MicroStrategy. It is a proxy for Bitcoin. MicroStrategy owns over 331,000 Bitcoin. There is no top, guys. You say, oh, I don't want to buy at the top. There is no top. This is the bottom for MicroStrategy. This is the bottom for Bitcoin. MicroStrategy will have a $10,000 per share asset. Bitcoin will go to $1 million. See, I'm not even concerned about MicroStrategy making it to 500, making it to 1,000, making it to 2,000, making it to 3,000. That's easy. You have to have a conviction and believe that MicroStrategy is going into the tens of thousands of dollars per share. This is the time to get it right now, guys. MicroStrategy is the leading Bitcoin holder in the world. See, and if you can't afford MicroStrategy, there are other Bitcoin proxies out there, like Marathon, HUD8, Block, Tesla. CleanSpark. You have to get in on this now. It's very important. Don't miss out, guys. I'm going to read this article. And you make your mind up for yourself. I'm just delivering the information. I'm just showing you what's going on. Okay, guys, let's go. MicroStrategy taps stock market to fund record Bitcoin buy. MicroStrategy Incorporated bought a record $4.6 billion in Bitcoin, making good on plans announced last month to tap capital markets to accelerate purchases of the cryptocurrency. The enterprise software maker, whose corporate strategy includes buying the digital asset, acquired about 51,000 Bitcoins between November 11th and November 17th. According to an U.S. Securities and Exchange Commission filing on Monday, that follows purchases of over 27,000 Bitcoin between October 31st and November 10th, and 2 large acquisitions in September. The Tysons Corner, Virginia-based firm now owns around $30 billion in Bitcoin. MicroStrategy is already moving to raise more money to buy Bitcoin. The firm announced later Monday that it will be offering an additional $1.7 billion in convertible senior notes maturing in 2029, with the proceeds being used in part to acquire more tokens. See, so he's raising money. to buy Bitcoin. He's literally going into debt, and he's using his company's stock to acquire money to buy Bitcoin. But he don't have to make any payments until 2029. So he got 5 years of Bitcoin's massive acceleration. 5 years. And we all know in 5 years, Bitcoin will easily be worth between $500 and $1 million. And he got 330,000 and trying to buy more. MicroStrategy co-founder and chairman Michael Saylor decided to invest in Bitcoin in 2020 as a hedge against inflation. The firm initially used cash to make the purchases and has shifted to using proceeds from the issuance and sale of stock, as well as convertible debt sales to leverage its buying power. On October 30th, the firm announced that it hired banks to help it raise $42 billion through the sale of new shares and fixed income to buy more Bitcoin. So it's like he is refinancing his company. It's like if you have equity in your home and you pull some equity out to buy Bitcoin, this is what he's doing. This is what he's doing. And he putting it on his balance sheet. Hold on, guys. MicroStrategy tapped its so-called at-the-market program to sell 13.6 million shares in the market over the week ending November 17th. The filing showed the sales are part of a record $21 billion program that enables company bankers to create shares to sell into the market. The proceeds pooled over the past week would mark the fourth largest at-the-market deal by itself, a signal of the rampant demand for shares, data compiled by Bloomberg show. So he's using these shares. They're acquiring shares of MicroStrategy that will mature in 2029. They have to hold the shares. They can't sell them, because if they sell them, it'll dilute the value of the shares right now. So they have to hold those shares, and then they have an option to do whatever they want with them in 2029. The company is now the largest institutional holder of Bitcoin, with 331,000 Bitcoin purchased at an aggregate price of approximately $16 billion, well below the current value. Investors are on board with the strategy. The company's stock price is up over 400% year to date. And I can attest to that, guys, because I own MicroStrategy and I'm up 400%. It's crazy. Like, that's my highest, most profitable stock. It's MicroStrategy. And I will not be selling it. I will be holding on to MicroStrategy for the foreseeable future. Like, I'm serious. Making it the second best performing among major stocks, followed by Bloomberg after Appleton Corporation. So yeah, guys, so that's all I want to say about that, showing you how Bitcoin and MicroStrategy are one. And they are both going to the moon. Okay, guys? Until next time, guys. I'm Contraband 777. Remember, keep your life clean, keep your car clean, keep your body clean, keep your mind clean, and keep your diet clean, guys. You have to have a clean life. You have to maintain a clean spirit, a clean soul. You can't be polluting your mind. You can't be contaminating your body with cigarettes and junk food and garbage. You have to keep a clean mind in order to fulfill your dream. You have to keep your life clean in order to fulfill your dream, guys. It's important. Stay focused. Stay focused. Keep your eyes on the prize, guys. Until next time, guys, drink plenty of spring water to flush out the toxins, the chemicals, and the poisons that's in the food supply. Guys, you are being poisoned. You're being micro-poisoned every day. And since you're operating in your lower self, you also poison your children and your pets. Guys, remember, keep your mind clean. Keep your life clean. And keep your eyes on the prize. Until next time, guys, I'm Contraband 777, and I'm signing off.